Do you even know how to spend your crypto? What if I told you you could get a card that is partnered with Visa and spend it like a normal bank card? Well, I'm here to tell you that CRO.com is that exact thing, all right? I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight and show you how you can spend your crypto on a card partnered with Visa. Guys, here it is, the only crypto card you need that they'll say. There is more out there, this is probably my favorite, all right? It actually bridges that gap between people that are using crypto and the real world currency. I'm not even exaggerating, I have the Ruby card. The teeth you see on my face, I bought with the crypto card. This works in many places. Nearly every single place I've been, this has worked, all right? And you top it up from your crypto with your fiat. Real easy. Not only that, you can get cash back on what you spend. When I bought these teeth, I got an incredible cash back of 6.6%. It's insane, all right? And as you go up the tiers that I'll show you, you get better rewards. Now, their platform is incredible. They've got their NFT side, all right? The prices of the cards and things like that as well, all right? CRO coin is all over the news. Now, the reason it's all over the news, let's just search what price we're at, is because, for example, when I got my card, you have to stake what you have. Stake a certain amount to get the card. Now, let's have a look at the price. Since I staked my £3,000, you can see how much we have fallen, okay? I actually staked it when we were up at 0.4. And as you can see, we've dropped a lot. That's why it's all over the news, but that does not mean that it's out. Now, you got to think, Crypto.com has partnered with Visa for this card. When I go to an airport, I get free lounge access. I get free Spotify, all the things like that, okay? And it's insane what value you can get here. There's no annual fees. You get paid back on the staking that you actually hold in there as well. This is the tiers where you're comparing the cards here. So you get 5%, 3%, 2% all the way down. I'm actually on the 2% with the Royal Indigo. Okay, and these are all the benefits that you get. It's incredible, okay? Really incredible. The airport lounge is one of the greatest things that I have ever used, okay? And as you go up, you need to stake more. So 30,000, you'll get more. And that's the incredible thing about the Crypto.com card. Now, I want to point you towards the TrexCoin, okay? I want you to know this coin, the price has already started vamping back up, all right? You can see from the daily how far we have grown from the lows that hit the 3 monthly. Now, what TrexCoin is an exciting project brought to you with the vision of developing an account where you can actually earn up to 16%. That's about 1% on selected currency. In a sample, no withdrawal fees, nothing like that, all right? And that's the reason this project is starting to climb back up when you look at the daily and the 7 daily, all right? Even on the monthly, you can see these highs. Yes, we took the crash as well, but you can see the highs, all right? And I truly think we're going to be getting close back to the price that we originally thought we were going to be going to. I'm very confident that with their vision, they will crawl back up. And that's why I wanted to bring you this at the end of the video, just to give you that little kind of hidden gem where we might be able to get back in. Guys, please take note. You have to stake your CRO on Crypto.com. Now, please go on a YouTube video and have a look how you do that. But it is worth it in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor like you heard in the disclaimer, but in my opinion, it's incredible to have a card that you can spend your crypto with one click. All right, you can tap it, use anything you want. It's so simple. Also bringing you on to the added point that I brought up, right? That's just a bit of a hidden gem we wanted to throw at you. But if you love this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.